Welcome to this video. I'm just going to give you an overview of exactly what the course contains. So it's split into sections. The first section is about mind mapping in general. So the history of mind mapping, why mind mapping is so effective as a tool, and also specifically about how you convert a mind map into a dashboard for your video production. The second section is about Xmind. Now, there's a lot of mind mapping software out there, but I've been using Xmind for about 5 years now, and it's a fantastic piece of software. So we're going to go through the installation of Xmind. Then I'm going to give you an amazingly quick crash course in Xmind and how to use it. This is a course in itself, just the section on how to use Xmind. So we'll go through how to enter data, how to change the look and feel, the themes, how to do hyperlinks, all of those kind of things. Section 3 is about conceiving your Udemy course, so deciding on what course to do, and then going onto the Udemy website and seeing the exact process and the roadmap of how to create a Udemy course. Now, it's really useful to know the whole process of creating a Udemy course on the Udemy site itself, because we can then map that back onto the dashboard we're going to create later in the course. Section 4 is about getting yourself organized. So obviously you can have a dashboard with your mind map, but we need to know where our resources are. So this is about figuring out where our web resources are, our directory structure on our computers, whether it's on a hard drive or an external hard drive. So we just need to do a little bit of upfront organization before we can plug our dashboard into all our resources. And on to section 5. This is the fun part. This is where we actually get to construct a dashboard in Xmind for your Udemy online course production. We're going to go through each of the phases and you can see exactly how it all works. By the end of that section, you should have a great template for actually starting any new Udemy or video production course. And section 6 is just the wrap up. So we'll have a little chat about what we've been doing and we'll wrap things up. And I'll also just talk about some bonuses and other resources that you might be able to find either with Xmind or Udemy or anything to do with the course. So let's launch into the first section, which is about mind mapping in general.